Welcome to day 30 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Congratulations for making it to the last day. And today we're going to practice noticing that the practice at the beginning is the same as the practice at the end. Meaning that when we start this practice of meditation, no matter how many years we practice, we're always returning to the same instructions. We're returning to the present moment, noticing and allowing. So we'll practice that again today. So please go ahead and find that posture that supports you, whether that's sitting upright, lying down, or even standing with your back supported against the wall. And I'll invite you to close your eyes, or you can just keep them a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor if that feels most supportive. Let's start by taking that deep breath in through the nostrils intentionally. And letting it go through the nostrils. Finding again that natural rhythm of the breath. So for these past 30 days, you've been showing up, sitting down, and practicing awareness. At the beginning of the challenge, there were more instructions and more reminders. And little by little, there was more silence. But something important to notice is this. The practice itself has actually never changed. From the very first day until today, this practice has simply about being aware, noticing the breath, noticing thoughts, noticing sounds, noticing whatever is here, and simply returning to awareness again and again. So today we'll sit together with very little instruction, just allowing awareness to be exactly as it is. Nothing to improve, nothing to achieve, just awareness knowing this moment fully, moment after moment, breath after breath. noticing how the body feels now. Thank you so much for practicing with me on day 30 of our meditation challenge. You did it. You made it all 30 days. So I hope that you'll continue your meditation practice and that you'll check out these videos again and that you can use them to drop in at any time and to find peace and ease in the nature of your own mind. Namaste.